So now we have our custom format, but in default Drupal, there's no way to set the format that's used in that submitted by line. In the future, there's probably going to be a contributed module that will allow you to adjust the submitted by text and date format. In Drupal 8, at the time of this recording, we have some limited options, but one of our options is a module called Display Suite, which is a powerful solution for a variety of problems that you might run into. So what we're going to do is use Display Suite in order to create a custom field that displays the text and date format that we want. So I'll do a search for Display Suite, Drupal, and we'll go to the project page. It's at project/ds. I'm going to scroll down and I'll copy a link to the latest recommended version. I'll go back to the site. We'll go to extend and install new module, paste in the URL and click install. Now let's try to enable it. If we search for Display Suite, we'll see that there are several Display Suite modules, but they're disabled here because we need a dependency. So we need the layout plugin module. I'm going to copy layout plugin and I'll do a search for it, layout plugin Drupal. We'll go to the project page on project/layout plugin. There's not a recommended version at the time of this recording, but we'll work with what we got. So I'm going to copy the tarball link. I'll go back to the site. We'll install the new module, paste the URL and click install. Now at this point, we would be able to install Display Suite. However, we also need one more module in order to get what we need, which is called the token module. So I'm going to do a search for Drupal token. It's project/token. We'll scroll down and we'll copy a tarball to the latest recommended version. Let's go to extend, install new module, paste in the URL and click install. And let's enable token and also a couple of the Display Suite modules. So there are 4 modules that come bundled with Display Suite. We want Display Suite and Display Suite Extras right now. I'll click install. We'll hit continue to install layout plugin as well.